Hi everyone. So some of the questions in this section you might think are a little bit obvious, but the point of learning them is to train our brains to think about fractions and factors in a way that will help us in all our future endeavors. So let's start with part J. Okay, so let's first of all evaluate the numerator so that we can see what number we get. 5 plus 7 plus 9 is 21. And on the bottom, we've got 5 times 7 times 9, and I'm not going to evaluate that until I find out if I need to. So do I have any common factors in the numerator and the denominator? Well, how can I express 21 in terms of its factors? I can write it as 3 times 7. And as for the denominator, I can write it as 5 times 7. Those two are already prime. Times, instead of 9, I'm going to write 3 times 3. And now it's really easy to see what common factors there are. So I'm going to cancel this 3 in the numerator with one of the 3's down here, and the 7 with this 7 down here. So this will just be 1. And I can rewrite this as 1 over 5 times 3 is 15. And that is my simplified fraction. For part K, we're going to solve in the similar way. So first let's evaluate the numerator. 1 plus 5 plus 9 is equal to 15. And we'll leave the denominator as it is for now. So 1 times 5 times 9, and we ask ourselves, are there any common factors between the numerator and the denominator? So let's first separate the numerator out into its factors. So we can express it as 3 times 5, and I'm going to write the denominator as 1 times 5 times 3 times 3, and now I can easily see that I can cancel this 3 with this 3, and I can cancel this 5 with this 5. The numerator turns into 1. I don't even need this one here, so my answer is just 1 over 3.